Hi, in this video, I will share with you how to create a population pyramid for Malaysia according to age group. First, this data was getting from the source of Department of Statistics. So you can get these things and you download it and you copy it and put it here. So you have an age group and also the male and the female. And after that, we'll create this formula right here and this formula here, and finally we created a chart. So let's begin, right? So I'm going to copy this right here and paste it here. Okay, then here I type in this three dots. Maybe I'll just put the percentage. And here as well. Then over here, I will use 0 minus this one divided by this one. Double click, doesn't work, so we just drag this down. Just drag here. So we're getting the right one, just that we don't need the negative value. Okay, so we have this. Now we can highlight this age group and also this percentage. Head to Insert tab, choose underneath. You choose to the bar. Yes, to the bar. And after that, you select the axis. Okay, select the axis. Right click, choose Format Axis. Go to tick mark. Put it under. No, not tick mark. What is this? That is not label. It should be the label to low. Okay, so that is on the lower side. If you put it on the high, it's this side. So it depends, right? So we just put low then. Next, I'm going to select this and then the series. So I want to overlap with the other series. So we put there 100%. And it's a gap between each of the series, right? We change it to 30%. Okay, so it's easier to see. Next, select this, right click Format Axis, and look at the numbers. We change it to currency. This one. Okay, so we have this. Now what you do is that basically when I tell Excel that when it is negative, what happens, right? Yeah, that will do. So put it here, then after that change back to percentage. At. Okay, so that's it, right? So I have this, then the next one percentage, we added it. Okay, and if you don't need to 2 decimal point, 1 decimal point. You can change accordingly. Alright, so you can use this the same, right? Apply it to your label. Right click at the data label. See? Select this, right click on data label. Let's see. Right click, format data series. Right click, format data label, and go to number. Choose percentage. Add. There you are, right? So you can do the same for the female. And lastly, we'll select the chart. Press F2, the function key F2, press equal, click on cell B1 and enter. So what happened is that if this formula, if this cell here changed to 2019, and the chart will change as well. That is, we use the link cell concept. So that's it, right? That is the population chart. So first, you make it into a percentage, and this one also in percentage, right? Then you highlight all of this range, so on, and then you go to the insert tab, choose a 2D bar chart, right? And then you do the necessary adjustment, adjust the series, right? And then also, I mean, you can adjust the series overlap and the 30%. Some people would like to have a 50% overlap, right? They want a change, right? So really it's flexible by itself. If you want to over 100% can, right? Next is that you can change this, and when you learn this, you can apply this to each label as well, right? So let's just for an example, one more. So you can right click, add data label, right click, format data label, go to number sections, choose percentage, and see if I have that. Alright, we have add. So there you are, right? So at a glance, you now able to see that the largest group are somewhere between 20 to 40, yeah, somewhere here, right? These are the largest group. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned not just about how to create a population pyramid chart, but this is an essential piece of doing business, right? If you want to do a business, you want to help business, help the largest population, this is the group, right, in this country. Now, before you start a business, think about that. This is very important, right? So again, remember, think amazing, believe you're amazing, you can do amazing things. Who knows what you share will help millions. Thank you.